be doing the border. This is a tip number 7 with the black buttercream, and I'm going to squeeze and just do some pearls. Squeeze, stop squeezing, move the tip off to the side so that you don't get the little points. And we're going to be going all the way around the bottom and the top tier. Now we're ready to attach some of the flowers. I'm going to take some of these here and just pop them right up against the border so that will help them stick. We'll just do a few here and there. You can even put one smaller one at the top and do little clusters like so. And we want these on both tiers. Now this one, it looks like it's going to be a little tight up there, so I can go ahead and take a little bit more of the backing off. And we'll just continue around the cake.
Here we go.
Now we're back, and what I've done is I've cut the wings out again, and I've cut the heart out completely this time. So I've just cut it along the curve. You can see here where I've actually taken a skewer and placed it inside, which I'm going to be doing here on this side. Just take the skewer, you can dip it in a little bit of water, hold it like this, and just twist. Now I want the blunt end going in and not the pointed end, because I don't want it to slide down the skewer. Sometimes that happens when the point end is up. Then smooth this out, and then we'll come back with a veining tool and we will go ahead and make our little feather marks like we did before. And our little lines. Now if you have time for these to dry, then you can wait, and then you can paint them and then put them on. But I don't have time to let them dry, so I'm going to be placing them on and then paint them actually on there. And when they're still flexible, it's kind of nice. I can move them around a little bit. So right here on top, I've just got some larger roses that I did instead of the smaller ones. And all you do is have just a wider piece and a longer piece of red fondant for that. So I'm going to take this one here, and it's got the skewer. So I'm going to take it and place it at an angle like this, and then grab my hemostats like this, and take it, and I can actually move these out of the way a little bit, take the skewer and push it in. Now it doesn't need to go in and all the way down because the roses are going to go in front of it like that. Take the other one. Back. Like so. This can go here, and I think we're actually going to do, I might need that one behind it, but I don't like just 2 here, or I like that actually. One's a little higher, one's a little lower. I did make some very small ones here that we can actually poke in and put these around, so we'll end up with like about 5 up there. So before I go ahead and attach those, I'll leave the one in the back, and I'll attach that because that's kind of holding these together, as you can see, like that. So I'll just take a little water, put some water underneath it for that to stick, and turn this around, and I'm going to paint these just like I did the ones below.